Hey there, in today's video, I'll show you how to integrate Shopify with SendGrid. This integration allows you to automate your email campaigns based on customer interactions in your Shopify store. Log into your SendGrid dashboard and navigate to Marketing. Click on Integrations. Look for Shopify and click Setup. You'll be directed to the Shopify App Store, where you can install the SendGrid email marketing app. Once installed, connect your SendGrid account by entering your API key. Next, configure the settings in Shopify to trigger emails based on specific events, such as new purchase, a cart abandonment, or a customer registration. Once set up, you can use SendGrid to create targeted email campaigns that engage your customers based on their behavior in your Shopify store. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Shopify with SendGrid. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. If you haven't tried SendGrid, just hit the link in the description and get your free trial today.